of gear on the website for riding, but we also have casual wear. We want you to look good when you're walking around off the bike, and you can rep some of your favorite brands and some of ours as well. We've got casual wear from some of the favorite brands like Seven, Fox, Fly, Stance, Alpine Stars, Dainese, you name it. We've got tons of casual wear and at incredible prices. We've got a lot of closeout right now, so you can get hats starting at $5. We've got t-shirts starting at $8 and sweatshirts starting at only $20. Those are crazy prices, and we've got lots and lots to choose from. You're thinking, with deals this good, you're going to want to buy all our casual gear. Don't worry, we've always got super deals super fast at motorcyclesuperstore.com, so you can load up on all the best casual gear at the best prices. Now make sure you click that link in the corner and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as always, thanks so much for watching.